the 10 facts about Igorot ethnic group. Number 1, some of them live in the tropical forests of the foothills. Number 2, most live in the raw grassland and fine forests sown higher up. Number 3, numbered of Igorot about 1.5 million in the early 21st century. And number 4, the Igorot are from Austronesian people. And number 5, the Igorot form 2 subgroups. The largest group lives in south and central and western areas, and the other group lives in the east and north. Number 6, when first discovered by the Spaniard in the 16th century, they were called Igolets, later to be respelled Igorets. Number 7, the Igorot people are categorized into 6 different ethno-linguistic groups: Bontok, Ibaloy, Ipugao, Isneg or Apayao. Number 8, Igorets speak their own languages: Ibontok, Ibaloy, Kankanay, Isneg, Kalinga, Tuwali. And number 9, Igorots have their own autonomous government made by former Philippine President Corazon Aquino. And number 10, Igorot food is considered indigenous with little influence from other countries. Here are the costume or clothing of Igorot. The bag or bahag is the common costume for males Igorot. It is long woven material about 10 to 15 inches wide and 3 to 5 feet long. Traditionally, there are no upper clothes for men. Tattoos are common in the upper body. Some Igorot or Kalinga costume include headgear, a door with feathers, and some armbands. And for the female, Igorot clothing or clothes consists of a large rectangular woven clothing about 3 to 4 feet wide and 3 to 4 feet long. It's simply worn like a skirt and secured around the waist. In the olden times, there were also no upper clothing for women, but as the modern era has come to influence the new generation, earth-colored blouses are now worn. The native beads or bungol in the Kalinga dialect usually adorns the woman's upper body. The weight and amount of beads in the bungol indicate the status of the woman. Richer and nobler women have heavier and multiple layered of beads. In Igorot, the event of death is a very special occasion, which is a value and has to be observed. And the animal offerings, there are animals to be offered or butchered, as there are tremendous number of people expected to be around during the time of vigil and wake. Begnas dance is 1 week of celebration after planting and before they bless their crops and protect it from insects. And Kanao dance offered for various purposes to celebrate as a religious and as a part of funeral rite and to secure healing. Here are some common livelihood of Igorot people. Agriculture, terracing, and farming are their principal means of livelihood. They cultivate sweet potatoes, and women handcrafts include wooden spoon with human figures, rice bowls, excellent basket made of bejuco as to be strong and resistant under ordinary conditions, and they are known for metalworking in iron and brass. These natives are important because they comprise a part of the rich Filipino culture. The Igorots are faced social poverty, where they are socially excluded and considered to be very primitive and backward tribe. The third dimension of poverty that they are facing is political poverty, where it is very difficult for them to participate in democratic system of the country, such as voting.